Okay, people, first you gotta get your whole wings and cut them. Now, this is a season I'm gonna have lemon pepper season, garlic powder, onion powder, Old Bay, and then I just got my barbecue sauce. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash my chicken off, then I'm gonna season it. Put the dry seasoning on there, fry it for a little bit, take it out the oven, take it out the fryer, halfway cooked, put the barbecue sauce on it, and then put it in the oven. Follow my tips for these great wings. So you're gonna mix the seasoning up on the wings. And you're gonna fry these joints naked. So I got a frying pan. That's how I know my oil is ready. If my hands are a little wet, sprinkle a little water in there. Start doing that, it's ready to drop the chicken in. With the chicken, we're not gonna fry it all the way through. We're gonna put them in there and fry them halfway. So we're gonna finish it off in the oven. So the sauce and everything get in the chicken real good. Okay, I'm about to get my sauce together. A little bit of onion powder. I always get the generic cheap sauce from the grocery store, and I add on to myself. I got the garlic powder. Put the Old Bay in there. Old Bay Bbq Wings. They about to slap. I'm telling y'all. Throw a little bit of sugar in that joint. Hold on. Still getting at it, man. Throw a little bit of sugar in this bad boy. And mix it up. I'm gonna put this on my chicken. Once I get done frying it, put it in the oven. That's all she wrote. So I fry them in there for a little bit. I don't cook them all the way through. Fry them in there a little bit just so they can get a little crisp a little bit. Maybe a few minutes, about five minutes. Take them out. Put them on napkin so the grease can fall right there. Pan, get your chicken, coat it in the barbecue sauce, lined up on the sheet pan. That's it. Once you're done doing this, put them in the oven for a good 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, because they already halfway cooked, so it don't take long. It ain't gonna take long to cook. 15-20 minutes, and your wings gonna taste gourmet. About 15 to 20 minutes later, take them out the oven, and this is what you got right here. Fried barbecue wings. Yes, sir. Here we go, they're nice and plated now. Delicious. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.